Welcome back to Urbanism Spinning. So many of you have asked me how to improve your architecture design. So here are some tips for you from Urbanism Spinning. So let's get started. Number one is focus on user experience.
Prioritize functionality. Ensure the design is user centric. Think about how people will interact with the space, whether it's a building or an urban environment. Consider accessibility, flow, and ease of movement. Also consider the human scale. Pay attention to proportions and the relationship between people and the built environment. Design elements like door heights, furniture, and space layouts should be comfortable and human scaled.
So number two, we have that you can incorporate sustainable design principles like energy efficiency, sustainable materials, green roofs, etc.
Energy efficiency. Aim to design buildings that reduce energy consumption, incorporate natural light, passive heating and cooling, and energy efficient materials. Also consider sustainable materials. Use eco friendly materials that have minimal environmental impact, such as reclaimed wood, bamboo, and low VOC paints. Also consider green roofs and walls. Greenery can be used in designs to reduce the building's carbon footprint and improve air quality.
Number three, embrace building information model.
BIM allows architects, engineers, and contractors to work on a shared platform, improving collaboration, reducing errors, and ensuring better construction outcomes. BIM can also help you simulate different design scenarios, analyze building performance, and visualize the end result before construction begins, improving overall efficiency.
Number four, incorporate contextual design.
Every design should respond to its surroundings. Consider the location's climate, history, culture, and landscape. A building should feel integrated into its environment, not forced into it. Using local materials not only helps with sustainability but also creates a sense of place. This approach connects the design to its geographic and cultural context.
Number fifth, pay attention to light and ventilation.
Use design elements like skylights, large windows, and open spaces to bring in natural light, which can reduce energy usage and improve occupant well being. When it comes to ventilation, ensure proper airflow by designing well spaced windows, vents, or even passive cooling systems. Good ventilation is essential for comfort and indoor air quality.
Number six, create connection with nature.
Introduce elements like plants, water features, or natural textures to foster a sense of connection to the outdoors. Maximize the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces through large windows, terraces, courtyards, or gardens to create a seamless flow.
Number seven, design for longevity.
Avoid overly trendy elements that may feel outdated quickly. Aim for a design that will remain relevant for decades, allowing the space to age gracefully. Choose materials that will stand the test of time, such as stone, brick, and concrete, for areas exposed to wear and tear. This reduces the need for constant upkeep.
Number eight, balance aesthetics with practicality.
While creativity is essential, architecture must also serve its function. Each design decision should have a purpose, whether it's creating light, maximizing views, or ensuring privacy.
Number nine, incorporate technology and innovation.
Leverage emerging technologies like virtual and augmented reality for immersive design presentations, or use parametric design softwares to create complex forms and innovative structures. Integrate automation in both residential and commercial buildings, from smart home systems to automated building management for energy and temperature control.
Number 10, collaborate and seek feedback.
Collaborate with engineers, landscape architects, interior designers, and even clients to refine your design. Feedback from others can help you spot potential flaws and push creative boundaries. Continually explore new architectural trends, visit notable projects, or participate in design workshops. This will help you develop a broader perspective and fresh ideas. Improving architectural design is a continual process of learning, testing new approaches, and refining your work. Keep challenging yourself, stay updated with trends, and always consider the broader context, both functional and emotional, of your designs. That's all for today. Do like, share, and subscribe to Urbanism Spinning. Thank you.